Today, we are exhibiting one of the largest medical design and manufacturing exhibitions. At the show, we present range of the products from cross-roller links, which provides you a stable and smooth rotation motion. 2-element guide, known for high precision linear movement.
Hi guys, this is Alberto from THK. Today I wanted to showcase our electric actuators. On the board we have our KRs in different sizes, but besides the KR we also have different options like the SKR and other economical options as well. For these specific electric actuators we have various options in terms of size and also lead. This time around we're going to look at the ball screws. So we have various options as well. In terms of big categories we have precision ground screw and also the rolled ball screws. For the precision ground, that's more for higher accuracy, and we have different preload and non-preloaded options, so depending on what you need for your application, we can make the recommendation as well.
Our next show will be at ProMat in Chicago, Illinois, from March 17th through 20th. For more information, please visit our website. We hope to see you soon.